Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to generate a serial number automatically based on the value present in B column. Let me explain you in detail. Let's say suppose if I write any name in B column, automatically it should give me serial number 1 in A. But if I type next name in B5 cell, then serial number here it should be 2. But as soon as I type any name in B3 cell, then automatically the serial number in A3 should be 2, and for the Johnson it should be 3. Again, if I type any number over here, let's say I type my name Shant, then here the serial number will be 3, and for Johnson it should be 4. So this is how I want to generate a serial number. So for this you can take the help of Counta function. So let's begin. So let me delete all this name first. For this I need to take the help of two functions right now. One is the if function and second is the Counta function. Now why we need to use if function? Because I have to check first this cell is blank or not. If it is blank, then I don't want any serial number over here. But if it is not blank, then I want a serial number. If function is a logical function, so it is also called as decision making function. So here I need to take the decision whether this cell is B2 is blank or not blank. That's the reason we'll take the help of if function over here. Let's click on this fx button. After you click on fx button, type your function name, that is if, and click on go. So it will populate the list of all functions, and from that you need to select the if function and click on OK button, and it will open the function argument screen. So here you can see there are 3 arguments are there in if function. First is the logical test, second is the value of true, and third is the value of false. So if my condition is true, then it will give you the value if true. Otherwise, it will give you the value if false. Okay. So let's check the condition now. So if this cell, that is B2, is equals to blank, double quote, double quote. So why we are using double inverted quotes 2 times over here? Because whenever you write any value and if it is not a number, then it is compulsory to enclose that in the double inverted quotes. If it is a number, then this double inverted quotes is not required. So here blank is not a number, so that's the reason we need to represent that blank with double inverted. Here you can see that output is true because B2 is blank, that's the reason the output is true. Now if it is true, we don't want any serial number, right? So that's the reason we need to again keep this cell blank. So for that we need to press again double inverted quotes twice, double quote, double. But suppose if it is not blank, then use a function that is count a bracket open will take the count of the value. Now here there is a little interesting part that generally in Counta function we select the entire range like this. Let's say suppose if I am going to enter the name up to a 10th row, that is B2 to B10. So in that case normally in Counta function we select B2 to B10. But in this case, we are not going to select this entire range from B2 to B10. But instead of that, what we are going to do is we are going to select only one cell, that is B2 to B10. Now, what is the meaning of this? So the meaning of this is whenever I am entering name over here in this cell, then I want serial number 1 only. But when I am entering name here in the 3rd row, then my range should be from B2 to B3. And it should count how many values are there in these 2 cells, and based on that it should give me the count over here. If I select the entire range, then it will give me the count of this and all the values in this cell only. But here we do not want the count of all the value. I want the count of only the value present in this cell, a count of this cell only. But as I enters the name in this column, so automatically this range should also increase. So here I'm trying to make this range a dynamic range. For that, what you need to do is we need to keep this B2 fixed, and this B2 should not be fixed. So that means when I'm dragging from this cell to this cell, if I'm dragging this formula from this cell to this cell, so automatically my range should be B2 to B3 in this cell, and in this cell it should be B2 to B4, and so on. So that's the reason we have freeze first B2 and we did freeze this B2. Now click OK to get the serial number, and we'll drag this formula up to, let's say, 10th row. Let me write some name and let's check it whether it's working properly or not. Let me write my name and press enter. Yeah, automatically I'm serial number as 1. But if I leave one cell and then if I type the next name, that is Johnson, then it's giving me 2 automatically. But if I go to third row, third cell, B3 cell, and if I type the next name, let's say Sachin, so automatically my serial number should change, and that is happening over here. This is what we want exactly. So as you keep on typing the name, automatically serial number will be generated automatically. And if you delete any name, let's say if I delete the name from B2 cell, then automatically my serial number will change. For Sachin, the serial number will be 1, and for Johnson, serial number will be 2. That's it for now. See you in the next video. Please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed. Thank you. Bye-bye.